Okay, so we're asked to find a range of values of x for which x minus 4, the absolute value of x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so on top here I have listed the three scenarios for absolute value equations. So the absolute value of x can be equal to a, that means x is equal to plus or minus a. The absolute value of x is less than a, that means a sandwiched between minus a and a. And the absolute value of x is greater than a means that a is less than the minus of that a or greater than the plus of that a. Now you can see here we're doing a greater than, so we need this last example. Okay. Now our x has been replaced with x minus 4, so we simply have to write down that x minus 4 is less than or equal to, because there's an equal to in the question, minus 2, or x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 2. So this one here will give me that x is greater than or equal to minus 2 plus 4, or that x is less than or equal to 2. And over here it will give me that x greater than or equal to 2 plus 4, so x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so this implies then that our answer is that x is less than or equal to 2, or x is greater than or equal to 6. Now those can't be combined because they're both in two different regions. So this is not necessary, but what are we kind of looking at here in terms of a graph? Okay, well, a couple of things. We know it's x minus 4, so that means that actually is being pushed to the right to 4. Okay, so if I draw this to be 4 here, and we also know that x minus 4, it's going to cut the y-axis at plus 4. Now, why is that? Well, we know that this part of the line that I'm going to draw now, the bottom half of that has been reflected above the line. So it would cross here at minus 4. So now it's going to cross at plus 4. Now, I'm asked to solve this equation. So that's the inequality. So I'm asking to solve this equation here. So which means that I need to draw another line in on this, and the line I'm going to draw in on this is at x equal to 2. Okay, so this is my line here at x equal to 2, or sorry, not x equal to 2, but y equal to 2, and this is my function that I drew up here was y equals x minus 4, so that point there is 4. Okay, that's obviously 2, and this is 6. So basically I want all the parts where the function in black is above y equals 2. So clearly that corresponds to here and here. But in the question I'm asked find a range of values of x for which that happens. So I need to indicate what x's give me out those y's. Well, the x's that give me out those y's are the x's here that are greater than 6 and the x's here that are less than 2.